Welcome to Next Gen Auto Hub, your gateway to the future of mobility. When Toyota introduced the Sequoia in the year 2000, it entered into a segment that was deeply American in both spirit and expectation, the full-size SUV class. This was a time when large families wanted more than just a vehicle, they wanted security, strength, and the freedom to go anywhere. American roads were dominated by trucks and full-size utilities, with vehicles like the Chevrolet Tahoe, Ford Expedition, and GMC Yukon commanding the highways. Toyota, already known for outstanding reliability and durability through models like the Land Cruiser and 4Runner, set out to create something that delivered traditional American SUV size with legendary Japanese refinement. The result was the birth of the Sequoia, a name chosen deliberately to represent longevity, might, and timeless presence, inspired by the ancient sequoia trees known for their height and resilience. From the outside, the first-generation Sequoia carried a stance that was bold but not aggressive, practical but fully confident in its mission. Built on a stretched version of the Toyota Tundra pickup truck platform, it offered the muscular shoulders, tall roofline, and wide track needed to compete in the full-size category. It immediately felt like a vehicle built for long journeys and big adventures, rugged yet civilized. The front end carried Toyota's clean and sensible design philosophy, while the rear and side proportions delivered the kind of utility and stability that families needed for real-world driving. This was not a styling exercise, it was capability wrapped in confidence. Inside, Toyota focused on comfort and usability rather than flashiness. The cabin was spacious and thoughtfully laid out, with big windows that provided excellent visibility and a wide, commanding driving position that made anyone behind the wheel feel in control. Unlike some of its rivals that emphasized decorative trim, Toyota concentrated on ergonomics, durability, and practical convenience. Families appreciated the large second row and available third row, which allowed the Sequoia to comfortably accommodate up to 8 passengers, a major draw for large households and road trip enthusiasts. Everything from the seating position to the dashboard layout was engineered to feel natural, intuitive, and long-lasting, a hallmark of Toyota's late 1990s and early 2000s interior philosophy. Under the hood, the Sequoia arrived with Toyota's robust 4.7-liter I-Force V8, an engine that balanced smoothness with dependable torque, designed more for long-term reliability than headline-grabbing horsepower numbers. It wasn't built to be the loudest or the fastest, it was built to go the distance, to pull trailers, to tackle inclines, and to keep running well past the odometer numbers customers expected from domestic rivals. Coupled with a sturdy chassis, available four-wheel drive, and solid suspension engineering, the Sequoia delivered a confident, planted driving feel both on highways and unpaved routes. It gave families peace of mind in all seasons, snow, rain, or heat, without ever feeling cumbersome or unpredictable. More importantly, the Sequoia quickly built a reputation for dependability. Owners discovered that while some competitors looked flashy on the showroom floor, the Sequoia stayed mechanically faithful years down the road. This reputation helped Toyota carve out loyalty in a segment that had historically favored American contenders. Over time, the Sequoia became known not just as a large SUV, but as a trustworthy companion, one that people kept for a decade or more and passed down from driver to driver. What set the Sequoia apart was its balance. It was big, but not excessive, powerful, yet understated, luxurious in its smoothness, yet rugged in its backbone. It brought a calm, refined experience to a category that often leaned heavily into brawn and bravado. And while the Land Cruiser captured the image of global adventure, the Sequoia catered specifically to North American lifestyles, family road trips, towing boats and campers, and weekend getaways where size and capability mattered. Today, looking back at the 2000 Sequoia, its significance becomes clear. It marked Toyota's confident arrival into the full-size SUV arena and demonstrated that a large family vehicle didn't have to compromise refinement for toughness. It showed that durability could coexist with comfort, and that longevity was not just a promise, it was an expectation fulfilled. Enthusiasts still praise the first-generation Sequoia for its mechanical honesty and near-bulletproof engineering, and many of these early models remain on the road today, still serving families, still working hard, still representing the long-lived spirit behind its name, a trusted giant built for real life. Thanks for watching Next Gen Auto Hub, where innovation meets imagination.